Valentines Day, 14 February 2020. And here's this guy taking the wrong road just because he's JPJ. What he's trying to do? He's meeting the wrong guy. Yeah. So he can't even drive on the wrong side of the road just because he's what? JPJ? Wow, look at this guy. Driving on the wrong side of the road. Okay. The flood is receding very, very slowly in this from the road. Water from the road now goes into the drain here. Okay, this drain here is working well because it's next to the is outfalling into the rivulet, Kyonggo rivulet. But that's the Siga Junction there. No, Siga Junction. Sorry, the Tanaki Junction is there, and it's still underwater. Still, but the cars, we got a long line of traffic. I think it's stuck from the Siga Junction, and now slowly becoming impassable. We got a long queue because of the flood. See the long queue here, right up to Ramaya maybe. Here's the long queue. Right. And it's still partially flooded near the rivulet. Near the rivulet there, still partially flooded. And there's only one lane possible here, so there's a jam in there. Because there's a big slope in that road, they didn't fill it enough when they construct this stupid highway, so there's only one lane possible. The slow lane is still underwater. This is the Dahab borderline of Dahab and Nambazan. After there is Nambazan. And this is where the Pan Borneo is crossing. Location there, just before the house. This house is the Pan Borneo, the Pain Borneo, really. Valentine's Day 2023. The sun's come out quite bright in the morning from 6 a.m. Last night it was the very heavy rain and it flooded the whole of Penampang. So the flood here is draining through the highway drain into a culvert there. Quite efficient in this part. And this is where the crossing of the Pan Borneo, the Pain Borneo, see that's partially completed flyover. Slow progress. And down below it is flooded. So leaving one lane for the vehicle to go through. You see, this side is a higher side of the road. It's there is a fall to the right. You can call it super elevation. This is where the Pan Borneo is crossing this highway to from Nongkongon to Papar. Right. Slow progress, snail speed. Where are you, Mr. Project Implementer?